Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. This is TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. If you are new here, please consider subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. We continue with our examples under indices. We're looking at exponential equations or indicial equation under indices. We have two examples here with us. The question reads, if bracket open 4 over 3 power m plus 2 is equals to 9 over 16, we are asked to find the value of m. What will be that value of m that will satisfy both the left hand side and the right hand side? The second question we are asked to solve, bracket open 3 root 2 all in power n is equals to 3 power 9 times 2 power 5 divided by 6. So let's look at how we can solve this. Question 1, let's write the question here. We have 4 over 3 all in power m plus 2 equals to 16. If we check the left hand side, we have 4 over 3. And on our right hand side, we have 9 over 16. We have to write this 9 over 16 as 4 over 3 or 3 over 4. So 9 is the same thing as 3 power 2. Then 16 is the same thing as 4 power 2. So we can write this as 4 over 3 all in power m plus 2. In place of 9, I can put 3 of power 2. In place of 16, 4 power 2. The next step is I can write this as 4 over 3 all in power m plus 2 equals to 3 over 4 all in power 2 from one of the laws of indices. When we have a power 2 divided by b power 2 all in like this, we can write this as a over b all in square. So we will use this law here, and that is why we factor out this power 2. Okay, so we have 4 over 3 on the left and 3 over 4 on the right hand side. So we have to invert this 3 over 4 such that it will be 4 over 3. This will be 4 over 3 now, all in power m plus 2. This will be 4 over 3 power minus 2. And this is what we mean by to invert 3 over 4. To invert 3 over 4 power 2 means it will be 4 over 3 power minus 2. Okay, so you can see very well that the base on the left hand side is the same with that of the right hand side. We have 4 over 3 and we have 4 over 3 both on the left and the right. So when the base on the left hand side and the right hand side are the same, we can equate the power from one of the laws of indices. If we have a power m is equals to a power n, we can remove this a, then m will be equals to n. Okay, so let's apply this law here. So it means we can equate the base, and that will be m plus 2 equals to minus 2. To find m, or to make m the subject of the formula now, since we have plus 2 attached to m, to remove this plus 2, we subtract 2 from both sides. That will be m plus 2 minus 2 will be equals to minus 2 minus 2. And plus 2 minus 2 will be 0. So we have m now. So it will be m equals to minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. So this is the value of m. We can check by substituting the value of m here. If we put the value of m here, can we get 9 over 16? Let's see. If we put minus 4 here plus 2, that will be minus 2. 4 over 3 power minus 2. What are we going to have? We have to invert it. Of course, we have 16 over 9. That's minus 16. By the time we invert this, we have 9 over 16. So the value of m is minus 4. Let's move to the second question. Let's write it here. We are asked to solve bracket open 3 root 2 power n equals to 3 power 9 times 2 power 5 divided by 6. This power n here we distribute over this bracket. That will be 3 power n times root 2 means we can write root 2 as 2 power half. Root 2 means 2 power half. So I can write this as 2 power half times n will be equals to 3 power 9 times 2 power 5 divided by this 6. I can write 6 as 3 power 1 times 2 power 1 from one of the laws of indices. If we have a power b or n power x, this will be the same as a power x times b power x. It means when the base are the same in the power, we can multiply our base. When we have x as our power, we can multiply the base. That's what I just did. That meaning 3 times 2 is 6. Then we can pick one of the power. And of course, 6 power 1 is 6. So at this point, we can cross multiply. This will be 3 power n times 2 power n over 2 times 3 power 1 times 2 power 1. That's this will multiply this. Will now be equals to 3 power 9 times 2 power 5. Okay, so you realize that we can work on those that have base of 3. That's 3 power n times 3 power 1 will be 3 power n plus 1. Then 2 power n over 2 times 2 power 1 will be, we add the powers now. It will be times 2 over n plus 1. This will now be equals to 3 power 9 times 2 power 5. Okay, let's move here with that question 2. Okay, so we realize that we have the base of 3 on the left and the right, so we can equate the two. So by comparing now, by comparing our left hand side to right hand side, we can see clearly that 3 power n plus 1 will be equals to 3 power 9. Okay, the base are the same here. So the base are the same, we can equate the power. So it will be n plus 1 equals to 9. N now will be 9 minus 1. N now is equals to 8. We are asked to find the value of n. Our n is 8. But let's pick 2. We're through with 3 now. Let's pick 2 whether it will give us that 8 as the value of n. Okay? Here we have 2 power n divided by 2 plus 1 equal 2 power 5. Okay? The base are the same. Okay? From this law of indices, a power m equals to b power n. It means a power n. It means we can equate their power. So here, the base are the same on both the left hand side and the right hand side. So it means it will be n over 2 plus 1 will be equals to 5. This over 1, this over 1. So to clear this fraction, we find the LCM of the denominator and multiply each time. So the LCM of 2, 1, and 1 is 2. So this will be 2 times. We multiply 2 by the LCM now. The LCM is what? Is 2. So this will be 2 times n over 2 plus 1 times 2 equals to 5 times 2. And now we have n here plus 2 equals to 10. N now will be 10 minus 2. N is equals to 8. So whichever, whether it is 3 that we use or 2, we will still arrive at n as 8. So the value of n here is nothing but 8. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues.